Hello there and welcome to At Home with Anita Rosner. Today I am making Italian wedding soup, which is one of my favorites. What you will need is olive oil, 2 containers of chicken broth, 1 cup of small elbow macaroni, 1 tablespoon of dried Italian seasoning, salt, pepper, a nice big chunk of pecorino romano or your hard Italian cheese of choice, a large chopped onion, 2 cloves of garlic minced, a pound of frozen meatballs, and 1 container of arugula. Now, traditional Italian wedding soup takes escarole. You could put that in if you want. That's what my grandmother used. I prefer arugula. This recipe is so fast and easy, you could have a hearty dinner on the table in about 15 minutes. So let's get started. In a large stock pot, heat about a tablespoon of olive oil over medium-high heat. Add your onions and garlic. We're just going to cook these long enough for them to get tender and translucent, but we don't want them to get any color. Now add some salt, pepper, and your dried Italian seasonings. Now add your broth. Increase the heat to high and bring to a boil. Stir in your macaroni and cook for 5 minutes. Reduce the heat to medium-high, add your meatballs, and return to a boil. Then add your arugula. Ladle into bowls. Top with some cheese. And serve with a nice crusty piece of garlic toast. I don't know about you, but I'm hungry.
Sciabla fianco, collo dritto, muso franco, un gran casco.